This week gave investors another piece of evidence that the economy continues to move in the right direction. June's inflation report showed continued progress. Headline inflation moved lower as energy prices declined, while core inflation, which strips out more volatile components, was essentially flat for the month. That's encouraging not because inflation's completely behind us, but because it continues the gradual normalization we've been watching. For the Federal Reserve, one report doesn't change policy, but each report does help build confidence that inflation's moving in the right direction, giving policymakers more flexibility to remain patient. Now the conversation shifts from inflation to earnings. And so far, the early reports from many of the nation's largest banks have been encouraging, suggesting both businesses and consumers continue to navigate the environment remarkably well. The next question isn't whether the economy is headed for recession, it's whether corporate America can continue delivering the earnings growth investors have come to expect, and whether we're starting to see that growth broaden across more parts of the market. For long-term investors, that's an important shift. Markets will always react to the latest headline, but successful investing is usually about following the weight of evidence and staying disciplined while that story continues to unfold. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week with more insights.